Hello friends, welcome back to Inventor tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor. So let's get started. From here go to File, go to New, and here we will take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Okay. Now take a 2D sketch. Select here XY plane. Here take the line command. Select the center point over here and make a straight line. Make one line here and one here, this, a straight line here, and this will be the last, and join till the center point. Okay. Now here go to dimensions. For total dimension, I'll give it as 45 mm. All the dimensions are in mm. Now we will define this as 15 mm, and now define this bottom one as 18 mm, and here define this as 4 mm. Okay. Now we will define this dimension. This will be 15 mm. This flange dimension here, this will be of 22.5, and this topmost dimension here, this will be of 24. Okay. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, and here go to revolve command. This profile is selected. Select the center axis. Okay, and press OK. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Okay. Now as this profile has been made, now we are going to work with the cut profile. First go to view, go to visual style, change it to shaded with hidden edges. Okay. Now here go to 3D model, go to 2D sketch. Now here you might be able to see the hidden edges which were not been visible previously. Okay, these dotted profiles. Okay. Now to make other sketch, go to origin, select the XY plane. Okay. So the XY plane will be the plane, the center plane on which we are going to make the other sketch. To make this profile hollow, go to line command, select this point, select this top point, and it will be this. Select here, select here, select here, till end, and till this green point. Now escape. Okay. So this will be the inner profile. Now go to dimension. To define this, select the center line, and here select this point. Now we will define this as 16.5 mm. Okay. And define this,
please connect charger,
from center as 12.5 mm. Okay. Now as you can see, this profile is running upside. So I'll take here coincident constraint, select this point, and select this top face. Now this is constraint. Now go to dimension. The last dimension will be this. The height of this profile, this will be 12 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now here also go to revolve. Profile is selected. Select this as rotation of axis, rotation axis, and press OK. Okay. Okay. It will ask you if you want to make another profile. Okay. We have to change here, edit, I'll click on cut, and now I'll press OK. Now see, the software will automatically guide you if you are conducting any sort of mistake. Okay, now here we are going to make the cutout profiles at this bottom. So go to 2D sketch, select the XY plane. Now take here rectangle, select 2-point center rectangle, and here make one rectangle profile. Okay, go to the dimensions, and here define this as 4 mm, define this as 5 mm, and from bottom this rectangle will be at a distance of 5 mm. Okay, now here go to the vertical constraint, select this point, and here select this point. Okay, now this is fully constrained. Finish sketch, go to extrude, flip the direction, and here I'll take cut. Okay, so here we'll take all, so this will be a through cut, and press OK. Now I want a pattern of this, so go to circular pattern. So we will select this feature, the extrude one will be the feature, and rotation axis, select this face, take here count of 12 and press OK. Okay, so this profile has been made. Now select 2D sketch and select this bottom face. Okay, now here I'll rotate this, so this will be proper oriented top view. Now go to the circle command. From the center point here, we'll make a circle for the PCD, the pitch circle diameter we are making. Okay, so the pitch circle diameter here will be of dia 39. Okay, now here on this PCD circle, we'll make a circle over here of diameter 3. Now escape. Now here go to the vertical constraint, select this point, and here select the center point. Now this is fully constrained. Exit from the sketch. Now here select this, make it a construction geometry. So this was just for reference. Now go to circular pattern, select this 3-dia circle, go to axis, and select this PCD circle as axis of rotation. We'll take a count of 6, and 360 degree will be the rotation angle, and press OK. Now here go to finish sketch, go to extrude, we'll make a green window over here. So it will ask you where you want to extrude. So I don't want to make a joining profile, so I'll flip the direction, so it will automatically be changed to cut, so you can see the red profile. Okay, and press OK. Now here on top also we are having holes. Select this face, go to the 2D sketch or the create sketch, change the orientation. Okay, go to circle command once again. From the center point, make here a circle. Now this circle will be of dia 40. Okay, escape. Now here select this circle, and here click on construction geometry. Now go to circle command, or in this case we are having a M3 tab. So I'll take point command, and this time I'll align it horizontally. So I'll click on this point. Now escape. Okay, now I'll make a pattern of this. So go to circular pattern once again. This time we will select this point, and here go to axis, and we will select here this axis of rotation. 6 will be the count, and press OK. Okay. Now here finish sketch. Now this time I will take the hole command and we'll define the hole dia. So this is the plain hole. Okay, it's the clearance hole, simple hole. This will take tabbed hole. Okay, now it will ask you the standard. I'll take an isometric profile. So here we'll change it to M3. So we'll take the dia of 3. The thread class will be 6H. Rotation direction will be right side. Okay, now here it will ask you for the depth. So we will take a total depth. So double click this. So the total depth here will be 15 mm and the thread depth here will be 6 mm. Press OK. Okay. Now here we are going to make the front profile now. Select this face, go to 2D sketch. Here change it again. Go to the rectangle profile, take 2-point center rectangle, make a rectangle over here. Okay. Now go to the dimension, select here, define this here as 20, this will be 20, and from center we will define this outermost at 25. Okay, the depth here will be of 5. Now here go to the vertical constraint, select this point, and here select the center. So this is aligned now. Now here finish sketch, go to extrude, flip the direction and take here join and take a distance here of 15 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here we'll select this face, go to create sketch. Now here go to rectangle profile, take 2-point center rectangle. I click construction initially, so all the profile which will be made will be in construction geometry. You can see this is dotted profile. Okay, the yellow profile. Now here go to dimension. So we'll select the dimension over here and we'll select this green point, the center point. Okay, I'll zoom out to make it more clear. So the center will be at 3.5 mm, or you can just delete this, undo this, again go to dimension, and here from top we will define. So from top this will be at a distance of 6.5. Okay, the width will be of 15 and here the height will be of 7 mm. Okay, now here go to vertical constraint, select the center point and here select this yellow center point. So this is aligned now. Now finish sketch. Okay, now go to hole command. Again we are taking M3. Now this time we'll select all the corners one by one. Select this, and here select this. Okay, same profile we will take. The dimension 6 of thread depth and total depth 15. Press OK. Now here again go to the hole command. This time we are going to take the simple hole and depth will be same, and here dia will be 8 mm. Okay, so here you cannot mark anything. So first go to this hole, select sketch 7, right click, and here visibility you can do, or just click here, and here you can see a profile, make sketch visible, click here. Okay, now go to the hole command and here change the size, or just click here, simple hole. I have already made, so software is picking that dia will be 8, depth will be 15, and we will mark on this center point and press OK. Okay, now you can hide this sketch, select this, and from here hide this. Now here go to make it more realistic, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges, so the inner dotted profiles are hidden now. Now here we will define this appearance, we'll take the chrome polished. Okay, so this will be the final out. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.